This Friday with the debate over mask mandates. Good morning and thank you for joining us. I'm Andy Sirota.
And I'm Lisa Hernandez. Harris County has issued a health order for public schools and daycares, but not every campus plans to follow it. Our Brittany Jeffers is joining us live right now from A-Leaf with what parents need to know about this. Brittany, good morning.
Good morning. Well, A-Leaf superintendent says that for the time being, they're going to continue to follow the state's guidance, meaning that masks will continue to be voluntary. But as you mentioned here, we're not just talking about school districts, it's daycares that will also be impacted by this order.
Our job is to keep the children safe. I mean, we can't control external situations, but we do the best that we can.
Pamela McKinley is the owner of Key Concepts Can Learning Center. Throughout the pandemic, she says she's maintained increased safety protocols like temperature checks at the door.
It's constantly cleaning, constantly sanitizing everything. We are wearing masks, all staff. My staff are vaccinated.
She says all school-age children at the facility are required to wear masks, but now she's faced with a new order from Harris County.
Dr. Janina White, who is the local health authority for Harris County, has issued a health directive, a health order, requiring that everyone in a school, a public school, a non-religious private school, or any licensed child care center in Harris County must wear a mask.
The daycare owner says she supports the county mandate to an extent.
It's very difficult to get a 1-year-old, a 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 4-year-old to keep a mask on all day. That's very, very difficult. So, of course, we don't mandate that, and I don't foresee us pushing that issue, but certainly the school agers.
She says school-age children will continue wearing masks at the facility. But as for the school districts, it's still unclear how many will adhere to the mandate. KPRC2 has reached out to multiple school districts in Harris County, and so far, 4 have responded. A-Leaf and Humble ISD plan to stick to current plans of voluntary masks. Spring Branch ISD says their legal team's looking at the county's orders before making a decision. And Deer Park ISD says they encourage masks for unvaccinated people while on district property and reference guidelines by the CDC. Now, this county order comes after multiple school districts within Houston have announced plans for district-wide mask mandates. Now, this includes Spring ISD, and just last night, HISD school board members voted in support of the superintendent's plan to require masks for staff and students when they return on the 23rd. Reporting live, I'm Brittany Jeffers, KPRC 2 News.